DEWALT DCW200P1 20V Max XR Palm Sander Review. Cordless power, all-day runtime, clean finish. Ever been mid-project, fully in the zone, and your corded sander yanks the power cord loose right across your freshly prepped surface? I have been there, and it is the kind of frustration that quietly ruins your whole afternoon. That cord always seems to find the worst moment to fight back. Does that kind of interruption kill your workflow too? The tension builds when you are chasing a smooth, consistent finish, but the cord limits your range, your rhythm, and your patience. That grinding fatigue in your hands after hours of fighting a heavy, vibration-heavy tool is real and draining. There has to be a calmer, more controlled way to sand freely without cord anxiety pulling your focus off the work. Everything changed when I found a sander built around freedom and endurance. Don't just grab any cordless palm sander. Make sure it has a brushless motor paired with a high-capacity battery so you never deal with mid-session power loss and inconsistent surface results again. That is where the DEWALT 20V Max XR Palm Sander Sheet Variable Speed DCW200P1 genuinely earns its place. The brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and maintains consistent torque from the first pass to the last. Variable speed from 8,000 to 14,000 OPM means you dial down for delicate veneers and open up for rough prep without switching tools. The dust-sealed switch survives job site conditions that have killed cheaper sanders inside a season. A Finnish carpenter I know was prepping an entire house of trim on a tight deadline. He plugged in the 5 amp-hour battery, sanded through 7 rooms, and never touched the charger once. That kind of confidence changes how you plan your day. The dust port connects directly to most shop vacs for a nearly clean workspace. The benefits layer naturally once you start using the DCW200P1 consistently. A professional cabinet maker praised the dust-sealed switch specifically, noting it outlasted every previous corded sander in his shop that had failed from fine wood dust infiltration. The brushless motor kept full power even under slight downward pressure, which prevents the bogging down that creates frustrating swirl marks on final passes. A power tool content creator highlighted the 5 amp-hour battery as the headline feature, pointing out that most palm sander kits ship with weak 2 amp-hour packs that die quickly. This one stays alive through a full deck refinishing session or a complete house of drywall sanding without interruption. From a market analysis perspective, the DCW200P1 fills a genuine gap between entry-level DIY tools and expensive pneumatic setups, offering commercial durability at a cordless price point. One dedicated homeowner sanded an entire wooden staircase, all treads and handrails on a single charge, without the battery dropping more than 1 indicator bar. Now, some users note the tool weighs around 5.6 pounds with the battery, which is slightly heavier than single-mode corded alternatives. That trade-off feels worth it when you factor in the runtime and freedom. What would truly cord-free sanding change about your setup? Thousands of professionals and serious DIYers are already finishing jobs faster, cleaner, and with far less frustration using the DEWALT 20V Max XR Palm Sander Sheet Variable Speed DCW200P1. Calmer workflow, consistent results, and the freedom to move without cord drag following you around the job site. Results may vary based on application and battery condition. If that sounds like the upgrade your toolkit needs, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Click through, explore the details, and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.